Hi all. Today we will sort it out with you trading day. Today is such an interesting day, very news. The price fell so much, by almost 100 points. Let's start with you analysis. Go to M30, C, set 9 o'clock, 19 hours. It means we started to be trade from here. Go to M1, our products were approximately here we would go in. Let's get her, this is how we do it. If only we had an entry point and here. But about this situation, we would be carried away here. Today we have minus 3%. Unfortunately, there are downsides. Here we have this hairpin for the job. It took out and we wouldn't be able to get in. We'd have a stop loss right here at 1 minute, there was a strong movement. We wouldn't do a reboot here because the distance is too long. Has passed, we have almost 65 points. If anyone is interested in this trading, how do I trade?
Так, перехожу
And
на
you see that
M1.
things are not always beautiful with transactions. But we will make money from the
M1.
big
С
one.
этого так, здесь у
And
нас
decently.
15 минут.
Right questions.
Вот с
I
этого
will
времени мы
answer.
начинаем
And of
торговать на
course,
продажу.
to encourage me to release videos with analysis,
Ну,
strategy,
и как раз
psychology.
получается здесь у нас
Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.
дела.в